Two big names in business finance go head-to-head. Sage versus Refrens. Which one really delivers? On the left, Sage, the accounting powerhouse for SMBs and enterprises. And on the right, Refrens, agile billing and invoicing for freelancers and small businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're going to look at price, features, ease of use, integrations, support and reliability, and of course, who these platforms are really built for. Let's get a feel for how these two giants stack up in real life. All right, let's kick off with something we all care about: price. So, first up is Sage. Honestly, Sage is kind of like that luxury car with all the bells and whistles. You know you're paying for the power under the hood. It's got those enterprise-grade features, and there's a bunch of pricing levels, so it grows with your business. But, yeah, you will notice the higher starting cost. And some advanced stuff, it can sneak in a few extra charges. Now, switching gears to Refrens. This one's kind of refreshing, not gonna lie. You get a free plan, and even if you step up to paid, it's super affordable. If you just want easy invoicing, you're getting some serious bang for your buck. The only catch? Some advanced tools may cost more after renewal, which, classic, but still, pretty wallet-friendly overall. So, for price, Refrens definitely takes this one. Now let's talk features, starting with Sage. Oh man, this is where Sage just flexes. Comprehensive suite? Check. Payroll, inventory, slick financial reports. Honestly, it almost feels like you've got a whole accounting department tucked inside your laptop. The trade-off is, it can be a little much for small teams. Meanwhile, Refrens focuses laser-like on billing and invoicing. It's simple, speedy, lets you track payments, manage clients, all that. But if you want heavy-duty accounting or advanced stuff, you'll find the toolbox a bit, limited. So in this round, Sage is the clear winner. All right, category 3, ease of use. Sage first. I'll give them this. The interface has gotten a lot friendlier in recent years, and there are handy guides to get you through. But honestly, if numbers aren't your jam, the learning curve might feel pretty steep. Now, Refrens. This is where they shine. Everything is quick, clear, almost impossible to mess up, even if you're brand new to invoicing. Really intuitive. The only thing? Less help if you ever want to do, fancier things. All in all, for most folks, Refrens just feels faster and smoother. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Refrens actually started as a tool just for freelancers to shoot off invoices, while Sage has its roots all the way back in the UK's 1980s business software boom. Kind of wild how both ended up serving businesses, but come from totally different worlds, right? On to integrations. So, Sage. This one's a beast. You've got deep links with CRMs, bank feeds, payroll, payment gateways, and more. It's honestly impressive. Sure, you sometimes need third-party apps, but most business workflows slot right in. Then with Refrens, it gets the basics right. Payments, client lists, even simple CRM. But compared to Sage, the selection's just not as wide. So, Sage is the integration champ here. Let's chat about support and reliability. Sage has this huge global presence, and you get 24/7 support, plus loads of documentation for when you want to go full DIY. Some folks say peak season gets a little busy, but overall, solid. On the Refrens side, you've got really responsive help for invoicing. Live chat and email feel pretty personal. Only hiccup? Some users complain about features changing or disappearing after renewal, which isn't fun. Still, Sage just pulls ahead here with that big support network. And now, target audience. Sage is built for the big leagues. Small to mid-sized businesses, full-on accountants, even some pretty hefty enterprises. It runs deep, but hey, for solo freelancers, it can be overkill. On the flip side, Refrens is a freelancer's dream. Perfect for consultants, agencies, and, honestly, any small business that just wants billing done fast and easy. If you ever need complex accounting, though, you might outgrow it. But hey, this one's actually a tie because it depends so much on what you need. So if you mapped all these scores on a radar chart, you'd basically see Sage stretching out wide on features and integrations, while Refrens takes that sweet spot on price and ease of use. Each makes its mark for its own crowd. So, bottom line, if you need a tool that can scale with you, maybe you're going from small team to full-on enterprise, Sage is honestly tough to beat. But if you're a freelancer or a small outfit who just wants fast, simple invoicing and you want to keep things budget-friendly, Refrens is a no-brainer. Go Sage for all the depth, Refrens for pure ease. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next